guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. It's been a while since I put out a video on YouTube, on my channel, and that's mainly due to I started driving with Uber Eats. Now, when I started driving with Uber Eats, it actually took a lot of my time, so I didn't have much time for eBay, so I actually put that on the back burner, and at the time Uber Eats was actually making me a lot more money than eBay was. So I definitely put the eBay on the back burner. I still had all my listings up on eBay, but I was just letting them slowly trickle sales through. So yeah, that was the end of that really for the time being. But now I'm looking to get back into eBay, mainly because I love the thrill of the hunt, and it's also a nice little earner on the side. Now I'm still going to be driving with Uber Eats, so I'm going to try and fit this in between everything else. But this time around I'm only going to be selling clothes. I haven't got a whole lot of space here where I'm living, so with clothes at least they can compact down, they don't take too much space, and I can bulk take photos of them and whatnot all at the same time. It makes it relatively quickly to do that, and it's quick to ship as well, really quick to ship. So I've got a death pile of clothes here that I'm just going to take you guys through. They've been sitting here for a long time, so I'm going to go through them with you. To be honest, I can't remember what's in this pile either, so I'll be discovering it as well. But yeah, I'm going to start listing these, get these all up, so we can get the ball rolling again. So yeah, we'll go with the first item here. So we've got a R.M. Williams, a red polo shirt. Pretty standard, size large, so that should be a nice profit on that one. We got a Rod and Gun 3XL long sleeve button up shirt. Yeah, pretty much bread and butter this one, so that one. We have another R.M. Williams 3XL button-up shirt, which is a regular fit, 100% cotton. So yeah, that's a nice one there too. And funny enough, we have another Rod and Gun 3XL button-up button front shirt, long sleeve. So yeah, all these shirts will go for about $30 to $40, I'd imagine. So yeah, that's really good. We've got a Harley Davidson long sleeve button front. It's actually pearl snap the front here. But yeah, this is a size 2XL with big Harley Davidson on the back. So this one should actually fetch a fair bit of coin, to be honest. I'm not roughly too sure how much, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to be maybe 40 to 50, I reckon. I think we've got a Victoria. I think this is maybe it's a AFL umpires jersey. I'm not too sure. If anybody knows, please comment below. But certainly looks like it. Yeah, I'm not sure how much this goes for, but it's an extra small, so it's obviously for the junior, maybe the junior umpires. I'm not too sure. We've got an Armani Exchange short sleeve button front, size large. Yeah, I'm not sure how much that one would go for, maybe about 25 or something for that one. It's size large, but it looks pretty damn small to me, but anyway. So we've got just a Scotch and soda button front. It needs to be ironed badly, this one, by the looks of it, but yeah, I haven't grabbed too many Scotch and sodas in the past, so I'm not 100% sure how much it'll go for, maybe 20 and 25, but yeah. We've got a Greg Norman polo long sleeve shirt, play dry, size medium, the grey. Yeah, not too, that'd be about $20, I reckon. We've got a herringbone business shirt. Yeah, button front as well. Seems to be the theme of the day here. Size 41. Yeah, that'll go for about 25 as well. It's a business shirt. We've got a Jeff Banks shirt, button front as well, size large, got stars patterned all over it. Yeah, it's not a bad shirt, that one. So we've got another Rod and Gun shirt here, polo shirt, size large. These are all in really good condition as well. Don't know why they're in my death pile, but anyway. There's money sitting around, I guess. So I've got a Melbourne 2006 Commonwealth Games polo shirt, official licensed product, size medium. Yeah, there might be some collectors out there that collect these type of shirts, so I'll have to do my research and just have a look how much that would go for. I'm not too sure on that one. And the last one I've got here is a Greg Norman vest, a golfing vest, sleeveless. It must be waterproof, I guess. Yep. And size large. It's beige shirt. So that was all in my death pile. Funny enough, a lot of good stuff in there. To be honest, should be able to get a lot of good money from those. Now the future direction that I want for this YouTube channel, obviously I want to start putting up a lot more videos again. So I'll be wanting to do eBay as I did in the past, but this channel was mainly about side hustles as well. So I might even take you along on some Uber Eats trips just to see, show you guys how that all works and how much you get for doing that. But I'm also very much into dividend investing as well, which I've just started. So I might even show you my portfolio around that as well, and just show you as I grow how much dividends I'm earning through that. Yeah, to eventually retire early. That's the goal. But yeah, I'd love to take you guys along and show you guys all that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video if it's informative or just whatever, I don't know. But yeah, I'm hoping to get back into it a bit more and get this ball rolling. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. See ya.